MP, MLA, and MDC. And I have represented the college during 1984-85, the entire college athletic meet held at Gersin Ground, organized by the NEHU. But for the last many years, they have discontinued this athletic meet. And we had brought so many laurels and distinction for the college. And also, I have represented the Shitom College in the college football tournament held at Polo Ground. I don't remember well whether, but we got second position, maybe runners-up, where we were defeating by the St. Anthony's College, that I remember. And because myself, I just want to share in brief. 10 o'clock morning walk, we practice football till 9, then take bath, eat, then we go to office. By 2 o'clock we have to leave for practice at Polo Ground. Then by evening, on foot, we are coming via window to attend the classes in this college. That time there was an evening shift. And I myself alone, along with all our colleagues here. Yes, I feel bad when I take it out from my parental side. Then this morning, before I came to this program, there are MLAs, former MLA, MDCs, and even MP, who are no more with us. And who are still with us today. So friends, I will not lend my speech because Dr. Andy Karshandi, he have elaborated about the theme for all the beloved students who participate in the debate of the Declaration of Emergency during 1975. Very good topic. And I'm told by Dr. Karshandi that this this is the request made by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. And I had a discussion also with Honorable Principal and Vice Principal in our chamber that there are so many future plans of the college which they need our help and support. I must congratulate and express my sincere thanks to our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sanghaji, who have supported from his Chief Minister, special grant, Government of Meghalaya, financial support to enable the college to organize this program for the benefits of our young students. Like I've said earlier, I have not led my speech because maybe I cannot stay till the end of the program because, I have many officers also, they will come and meet me to discuss the other works also. And only one thing I would like to appeal to all the students, if I'm not mistaken. Number one, I have spoken with Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister about Prastun, Basya Bahalang, Deputy Chief Minister, and all our cabinet colleagues, that we from the government will have to take up in Delhi to end up this Assam Legislative. I remember 1985, 84, when I was leader of the FKGUP. This is also one of the demands which we have made before the government to end up the joint gather. We should have our own gather. Hopefully, with the collective responsibility of all the minister in the cabinet and the minister in both role and opposition, we do hope that this will benefit the future generation of young students. Last 2013 or between 2013 and 2014, the last IAS to pass from our community is Kong Isawanda Lalu. And 2 years ago from our shitom, it is I have felicited him, but I cannot forget what is his Das. It's a Bengali student from Jailport. It's a non-Kasi who passed the IAS. So I appeal to all our students is to work hard to compete the IAS, the MPS, MCS, IPS from our community of Meghalaya, from all three major tribes, the community of Garo, Kasi, and Jaiti. We have to focus on this also. So I will not lengthy my speech. I'm very happy today as a former student. Markaloki MP recently we met in a very private. It consumes itself to light the way to others. It's been to you. That's the role of student. Teacher. Teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Coming to students. Students, education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. So, as the word says, time waits for no one. In brief, I would like to share with you the teaching of holy books. I used to have ample time to read the holy book, be it the Bible, Ramayana, Quran, Gita, Guru Granth Sahib, three-part guide, or Vakat Kantang Bakoy. I used to keep that small holy books in my briefcase. And I have ample time, 2, 3, 4 hours when I travel in a flight, is to read. And if you read, it teaches the same thing. There is no difference. It teaches that all living things in this earth, be it human being, animals, birds, insects, fish, all living things are being created only by one soul of God. So if you read the teaching of the Constitution of India and the teaching of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, that we should love and respect secularism, not communalism. So before I issue my sin, in my life experience, taught by various church leaders since my young age, that some more, don't forget to pray when you wake up from the bed, and don't forget to pray when you lie down to bed. This is very important in our day-to-day life. So in the remaining part of our life, I would like to congratulate all the participants today. Like I have said, I cannot be with you till the end of the program. I have to attend other programs also, the office also. So the remaining part in our day-to-day life is let us pray for each other. Thank you, Kule Metalan Jain.